Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I created this look, which is a really nice cranberry raspberry berry cut crease. I think this is quite cute. If you want to wear it for Christmas time, I just dimmed it down a little bit so that it is less, kapow. So I've just used shadow, like eyeshadow, metallic shadow instead of like glitter. So if you want to make it more Christmassy, more party like, you can add some glitter on top of that. That really gleams in the nighttime as well. So this is the look, and I feel like I'm getting back into it again. It's been very busy for me with work, everything in the family, everything has just been a lot. So I'm trying to get back into it, and this is what I've come up with. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna take the Emily Edit the Once palette, and I'm gonna stick it in Prayer right here, which is a nice like matte mauve brown. And I'm gonna start to put this basically into the socket. My eyes are already primed and set with Urban Decay Primer Potion. So I'm just gonna blend this out. This is gonna be like the nice smooth transition colour. I'm gonna take the colour here called Laugh Cry, which is a little bit more of a coral and a deeper mauve. On camera it looks way more corally, but it's actually not that corally. And I'm going to blend that in as well into the socket. We're going to create a cut crease today, so it's all about layering the colours. So obviously I'm going to start from a lighter brown, then I'm going down to like a soft coral to a darker like fuchsia pink berry. So we're just trying to get those colours in so that you can see the gradient when I do the cut crease. Now I'm going to take the colour down here called Cheer, which is more of like a deep cherry, and I'm going to put this just a little bit under and on top where I put that Laugh Cry colour. Because now we're trying to build up the deep colour. It doesn't really matter if it's messy down here on the actual bottom part of the lid, because to be honest, with a cut crease you're going to be concealing that out anyway. And I'm going back in with Laugh Cry because I want to bring that coral cherry shade back into the mix like that, because I want to be able to see the crease, like the actual difference. And then going back in with Prayer, just that brown colour up her. Okay, so I'm going to begin to cut the crease. I got some concealer on my hand, a lighter coloured concealer, because we out here trying to really erase that area. So I am going to cut the crease. So there's this fold right here I have on my eyes. So in order to find the perfect cut crease placement, what we're going to do is you look straight into the mirror, and this is how I do it. So just where the fold crease is, just inside as it folds in, I do it just above that line. And then when you've just about found like where you want the crease to be cut, just kind of fill it in, just so you get an idea. I just pat this out to blend the concealer like that, and this is where I want the concealer to stop. So once I've stopped here, usually I would set my eyes with powder, but I feel like when you pack eyeshadow on top of wet concealer, it just makes it super emphasized, super ka-ching bling out here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack some more of that cherry on the outer corner like that. And while the concealer is still wet, I like to just blend the eyeshadow into the concealer, and it gives it that beautiful soft blend-in look. And even if this eye does crease, just get your concealer brush that you used to carve it out and just slightly blend it out and buff it in again with your finger. Simple. I'm going to take the shade Pie Fi and I'm going to pat that on the outer corner. Just here. I just want something a little bit darker. I'm going to take the Foil Eyes palette by BH Cosmetics and I'm going to take this shade right here. I've just wet my brush with Fix Plus, so it's a little bit, it should hopefully pack on a little better. So I'm going to take this light pink and I'm going to apply that where the cut crease is. And lightly blend it out to the outer corner. I'll be putting back that Pie Fi in anyway, just to blend that back in, but I just want something nice, shiny and foil looking without making anything messy. So this is why I love this Foil Eyes palette. Like, you can tell I've barely used it. Honestly, I've probably used a couple shades here. I've had this for like a year or two and I haven't used it, but you know, it's time to really use up these palettes that I've got. So I used that and I'm going to blend it back in a little, the Pie Fi. Now I'm just taking Pie Fi and blending that back out there. You know, you can use your fingers. There really are no rules when it comes to makeup. If you want to use your fingers, girl. You know, who's judging you? Because I ain't. Now, as I said before, I want to put everything that I have in this house to use. Now, I have a purple pencil from Barry M, Bold Waterproof eyeliner in purple. Now, I'm going to, you know, put it to use. I'm going to put this, I think I'm going to put this here. Yeah, why not? I'll put it here on the actual lash line. And I'm going to take myself a cotton bud, like that. And I'm just going to blend it. I'm not trying to go too dramatic on this because I want to still keep it nice and light. So this is kind of like a metallic purple. So it's kind of in my waterline and on my lash line as well. And back in with the cotton bud. Blend that out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take Pie Fi again, which is that deep matte purple in this palette, and I'm going to blend that on the lower lash line, just on the outer corner first, like that. I think I'm going to blend it slightly all the way in. Yeah, mainly on the outer corner, but in as well. I'm going to add the Revolution, oh sorry, I Heart Revolution Goddess of Love highlighter to the inner corner here. And the arch of the eyebrow. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my hair, my makeups. I'm going to be at that final look stage and I'll show you how it's looking. Okay, so this is the final look. It is a cranberry pink purple cut crease. I'm starting to get into cut creases again. Like, I feel like I've practiced a lot now, so I'm much more comfortable with doing them, because before I didn't feel as comfortable because I didn't really know the kind of technique, how to do it. Like, I knew how to do it, but it wasn't coming out how I wanted it to. But now I feel like I've perfected it in my way to create that cut crease. So, you know, I think it looks pretty nice, and I am loving the foil. Like, the contrast to me, I feel like to create like a magnificent looking cut crease, you've got to have like a really nice dark cut crease eyeshadow color, and then for the actual cut crease here where you put the shadow, glitter, whatever you want to put, it has to be super bright. And when it's super bright, it just looks really stand out-ish, so you can really see the cut crease on my eye. So yeah, this is the look. I just wanted to create a really nice cute cut crease. It is kind of, I'd say this is cool for Christmas too. If you want to add some silver glitter instead of on top, that's really glittery, really you would say eventy. If you're going to any events or parties, it's really cute. If you've got lights flashing on you, your eyes will be glistening out here. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.